Hey, welcome to Millennial Man Studios, and we are super excited about this year's fantastic and tremendous lineup we have for you. Our first production of the season is, and properly titled, Club Casino. Here at Club Casino, we will examine and effectively test my very top secret formula. We're going to have a lot of fun this year here at Club Casino. Later in the season, I will resume Millennial Man Studios' production of Trump Media's ongoing battle against the syndicate. But for now, let's have a lot of fun. Let's get Club Casino cranked up. Off to the lab we go. So, we have made our way back to my laboratory here at Club Casino, and I brought along a few notes in reference to my very top secret formula. Basically, my top secret formula is the inductive logic machine. The inductive logic machine is a system that I used for Super Bowl gambling. My goal is to transition for the once-a-year event, the Super Bowl, to being able to use the inductive logic machine on a weekly basis. So this year, me and world famous Rockin' Rich, we're going to be starting off with a budget of $800. This is the money after expenses that we've carried over from last year, so this will be the budget. We'll start off with the $800. We're currently in week 14 of the NFL season. We're getting started late, but we're going to work hard to work our way and be able to work our way up to the Super Bowl. So over the next 5 weeks, we're going to spend $100 a week. Each week, we're going to spend $50 on horses, $50 per week on sports. Sports being NCAA and NFL football. So to bring everybody up to speed, this is what our original inductive logic machine looked like. It was very complicated, cumbersome. Ultimately, it was a failure. So back to the laboratory I go, and back to the chalkboard. I refine the inductive logic machine, which I've been using for the last 3 years, to be this. So what we're going to do with this inductive logic machine is we're going to be able to have more control over isolating our future variable, and we're going to see how that works along the season, as the season goes along. So what I've done was, our first week, week 14 NFL football, I've already made the bet for this week. So we put the $50 up for the horses, and we lost. So with the inductive logic machine, our future variable this week is going to be the Bears. And then we're going to branch all the way down. If the Bears win, we'll have a guaranteed win. So the Cowboys will play the Eagles. We'll branch. And then the Steelers are going to play the Raiders. Depending on who wins, hopefully we'll get down to the Raiders. We'll go down to our fourth branch. Chargers playing the Bengals. So as we go along, we're going to see if this particular system is going to be viable. So the system I'm using is more geared towards mathematics, more than gambling. Gambling is going to be the medium that we're going to be able to use for future events. And the money is going to be the meter of whether we're going to be successful or if we're going to fail. So if we win money, success. If we lose money, back to the laboratory and the chalkboard I go. But this is our first week, starting off at week 14 in the NFL. And we'll get back with you next week. We'll see how the results come up. We'll have our future bets made. And it's going to be a fun weekend. Y'all enjoy the football, and we'll see you next week. Bye.